coming to you with my Walmart haul I did today, which is Saturday the 17th. I went to pick up mainly the detergents, because that was a super good buy on a detergent, even though the bottles are shrinking. So we're getting less and less of the detergent. And the Lay's, everybody knows those are on Rebate for $2. So let me go down and tell you what I got. I got 11 items. My subtotal, which I paid out of pocket, was $33.74 plus my tax. So let's see how low did we go and what my final cost was for everything. Okay, everybody's talking about shrinkflation. Well, this is one way you can beat shrinkflation with using your apps, your coupon apps, your rebate apps, your printable coupons, your digital coupons, whatever you can get a hold on. This is a way to beat the shrink inflation, as they're calling it, because everything is getting smaller and the prices are getting higher. But let's see what I paid for each of these 11 items. First thing I did pick up, it was the milk foam flavor rose dog treats. They were $2.24. I picked up 2 of them, so the total was $4.48. Ibotta had an offer for $3.98 off of 2, so that dropped the price down to 50 cents for 2 or 25 cents each. Then I picked up the Arm & Hammer scent boosters, the 24 ounce, at $5.48. Ibotta had an offer for $4 back, dropped it down to $1.48. Shopkicks had an offer for $1 back, dropped it down to 48 cents. My Points had $1.02 back, dropped it down to free plus 54-cent moneymaker. Then I picked up the All Sensitive Fresh Liquid detergent. It was $4.97. Ibotta gave you back $1.50, dropped it down to $3.47. Shopkicks scans 10 cent, buys 900, so it equals out to $3.64. That made that free plus 17-cent money maker for the win. Then the all same product, but this time it's in the packs. Same price, $4.97. Ibotta $1.50. Shopkicks didn't get the scans because I scanned it on the liquid, so I just got 900 kicks, which is $3.60. Made that one free plus 13-cent money maker for the win. Then I went ahead and picked up the Arm & Hammer liquid detergent for $3.84. Shopkicks had $1 back, dropped it down to $2.84. Ibotta had $2 back, dropped it down to 84 cents. That's a win in my book. Then, like I said, the Lay's chips are on rollback for $2. So that equaled out to 10 because I picked up 5. You have to pick up 5 for this deal. Checkout 51 has $2 when you purchase 5 of the Pepsi products. That dropped it down to $8. My Points has $2.04 back when you pick up 5 Pepsi products. Dropped it down to $5.96 or $1.19 each. Now that's how you are going to beat what they call the shrink inflation of groceries and stuff. This is how you're going to beat it. This is how you're going to win. This is how you're going to keep food, personal care items, household care items in your household without spending a whole lot of money. Is using the rebate apps, coupons, either digital, out of the newspaper. This is how you're going to beat it. If you don't have any of the apps that I mentioned, I roll those credits at the end of my videos, and the information to sign up is always there. All the apps are free, or I have them down below and you can go and sign up there also. Okay, so like I said, I had 11 items, totaled me $33.74 out of pocket plus my tax. So let's see what, just for me using my apps, how much did it cost me, my final cost. Fetch, I got 2 cents. Checkout 51, I got $2 back. Ibotta, I got $12.98. My points, I got $3.06 back. Shopkicks, I got $7.24. Shop Mem, I got $2 back. That made that $27.30 when you add those all up. My final cost for these 11 items was $6.44 or 59 cents each. I call that a win-win in my book. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you liked the video. I hope you take advantage of the couponing rebate apps that they have out there today so that you can save your money and get the items that you need in your household without spending a whole lot. Until next time, guys, talk to you later. Bye-bye.